Hi, and welcome back to Journeys of Peace. Let's talk about minimalism, the kind people brag about on TikTok while wheeling a carry-on that violates the Geneva Convention and FAA guidelines. But while they're out here committing travel crimes with their beige travel cubes and smug attitudes, real minimalists already did it better. Meet the original light packers, Cowboys, and more specifically, Spencer Dutton from 1923, the king of minimalist trauma chic. Let's unpack, ironically, what Spencer Dutton carries through the colonial African wilderness, ship journeys, making the exact journey of the prequel before 1923 in Season 2 by car, walking, and train, and emotional flashbacks with his dead older sister narrating, one shirt, one rifle, a satchel of regrets, a jawline so sharp it cuts through lies, and zero room for nonsense. That's it. He survives lions, a duel, being capsized in a tugboat, the mafia and family drama, all with the rugged efficiency of a man who has seen things. Meanwhile, here comes Skylar again, off to Tulum with her 30-pound carry-on tote that will eventually knock someone unconscious at boarding group 4. Spencer travels light because he has the cowboy mindset. You pack only what you need when your day might involve hunting dinner and rounding up cattle. Skylar does it to look effortless, right before drop-kicking her Rimowa into your shin during boarding. Let's talk about real carry-on trauma. Concussions from overhead bin avalanches, shoulder injuries from tote bags filled with 8-pound moisturizer jars, fractured dignity after being run over by a rogue spinner suitcase, emotional scars from being told, it's all about being intentional with your wardrobe. This airport has seen things. Meanwhile, Spencer Dutton's over here just trying to make sure wild animals don't kill the rich Brits who thought going on a safari was fun. Influencers want you to think carry-on only travel is the pinnacle of enlightenment. But if your minimalist lifestyle involves a curated packing list, 12 reels, and a ring light, it's not minimalism. It's theater. Spencer Dutton didn't need to prove anything. He was the aesthetic. You, Skylar, are just one tote away from a TSA citation and a lawsuit from the woman you just concussed at Gate 12B. So, unless you fought a lion, had a member of the royal family literally run after you and cross a continent to be with you, and always saved the day, maybe cool it with the smug carry-on content. Spencer Dutton would pack less, cry less, and still look hotter doing it. And even the pretty girl is a minimalist without being annoying. Real travelers don't need packing hacks. They need grit. Pack light, pack smart, and for the love of all things holy, stop weaponizing your tote bag. Spencer would be disappointed. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts.